I'm really excited to be sat here with Tom today to talk about the launch of our new product, the Sustainable Freight Network. What's the Sustainable Freight Network? Well, it's a homogeneous, innovative product that's designed to help our customers make measurable impact decarbonising their supply chain. We do that in three distinct ways. Firstly, we help report on the carbon in their supply chain through GLEC verified, detailed, regulated reports. Secondly, we offer more sustainable transport solutions, whether that be intermodality, biofuels or electrification, to help reduce the Scope 3 produced within their supply chain. And then the final element is we will provide high value, modality specific carbon certificates that will help remove the residual emissions that might exist within their supply chain. Now, to understand why that's important, who it applies to and how we can help, I'm going to hand you over to Tom.
Thank you, Richard. The SFN hasn't come about overnight. We've been doing this for the last 2.5 years, initially from a call out from one of our customers. But from that point, we've led the way in innovating how to communicate this to the market, innovating the products of which Rich has talked about, and just gathering all together the information that seems to be coming at us at a rate of knots about corporate sustainability. In that time, we've identified 3 ways in which we want to talk to our customers, in which we think we can help our customers on their journey. The first of which being mandatory reporting. So in the EU and the UK, companies of a certain size have to report. They've got a handle of their Scope 1 and 2, but we're seeing that they need that help with their Scope 3 that we can provide. Another element I'm really encouraging to see in the whole of the corporate world is that there are businesses out there that just have sustainability at their core. So we can have the conversations with them that say, what can Baxter Freight do to help you achieve your B Corp targets, your SBTI targets? And finally, it's an more interesting conversation. It's our customers may not necessarily have sustainability as their priority right now, but certainly their ongoing customers do. So it's a bit of a problem that lands on their table, which they haven't really thought about. And we can explain the whole picture of corporate sustainability and the role in which we can play into help that particular bit. The brilliance of the SFN is it is nimble and it is flexible. We can jump in on just the report side if we just want to do the GLEC reports for a whole year, a whole month, a whole lane. But if we want to go all the way and produce carbon neutral logistics through production and through residual emission management of book and claim carbon insetting, we can do that too. The most important element of this are our values, because without those underpinning everything we do, it's dangerous waters what we're talking about here. So Rich is going to talk a little bit more about our values and why they are so important to us.
And those values are transparency, integrity, innovation and accountability. And they're really important because they help frame the work we do. They help give comfort to our clients that the work we're doing is regulated, cutting edge advice on how to decarbonise their supply chain. They know that the partners we work with are following the same level of integrity as we are, and they know that we and our partners are focused on their brand image, because that's really, really important in the coming years. We're really excited about this and we'd love to hear from you. Please reach down further on the page to our contact section if you'd like to talk to us about how we can help you on the start of your journey towards carbon smart logistics.